Hey everyone, this is Kelly and welcome back to the Honeybee Stamps YouTube channel. First off, I have a beautiful card to show you. This is from the Honeybee Stamps owner, Melissa, and she created this awesome design using the new Fall Bouquets die set. This is another stunner from Vera, and then this is a look at that whole large die set. I love this set. I've had so much fun playing with this. As you can see, there are two different vessels for you to build your fall bouquet into. There's a carved pumpkin and a jar. Both of those have cut lines around the edges and then embossing lines to make sure that you don't lose any of your detail and dimension when you run that through your die machine. Also included in the die set are lots and lots of flowers and florals and leaves, so there are different shapes and sizes. There's also different centers for your flowers, so you can mix and match and have a ton of fun. Also included are a couple of different sizes of acorns, so those are fun as well. Here, as you can see, I am building up my card. I've had a ball playing with this. I just smushed some ink pads on some watercolor paper and sprayed that paper down to get all of those colors to kind of bleed and run together to get different variations of the same colors. And I ran those through my die machine with all those fall bouquet dies. And now I'm just having a great time just building up all different sizes and shapes of flowers and leaves and twigs to build my bouquet. Now I chose to build my bouquet in the carved pumpkin. As you can see there, I watercolored that with some blue-green colors and then added some details in with my Copic markers. Now I love the center of that flower. As you can see there is a yellow underneath, and then if you use the center of the flower that has the holes in it, that yellow from underneath is going to poke through. So that is perfect for designs like sunflowers and different things like that. There's lots of different ways that you can use the die that has the little holes in it. I'm getting all my little fall bouquet all set up here, and I'm going to use a little bit of press and seal to make sure that I don't mess up my little bouquet as I place this on my card. I'm going to use liquid adhesive and just squirt all of that on top there, and then I'm going to get the whole thing placed back down on my craft cardstock. So this is a fun little trick just to make sure all of your flowers and your bouquet stays in place. I'm going to lift that up gently, and then I'm going to place a little bit more of that liquid glue into places where I didn't get it on the back side. And then my fall bouquet is all done. Super fun, super easy. I just loved and had so much fun creating with that die set. Now, as I said, there are two vessels for your bouquet. There's the pumpkin, which I use there on my card, and then that's a look at the jar. Here's a close-up look at my finished card. And then I also have some inspiration from design team members. Now this is a beautiful jar from that set, and this was colored by Bobby. I love how she used her Copic markers, and I just love all the details she added in to her jar. Now this beautiful card is from Kelly Martin. I love her pumpkin and her sunflowers, beautiful colors, and I am in love with this pink pumpkin from Emily. I just love that paired with the yellow sunflowers. And then this beautiful card, again, is from Bobby. Now she used the center of those flowers that had the holes in it to create the awesome lotus pods. I love her coloring and all the details she added in on that card. So this has been the Fall Bouquets die set, and it is available now at honeybeestamps.com.